Hello everybody. This is Bonnie with Flowers by the Bunch. Today I have an order to go out for a birthday, and my customer wanted to order 4 dozen yellow roses for his wife's birthday. So I am going to make those 4 dozen roses in this urn. I'm going to start out by, I have Oasis in the urn, and I filled the reservoir with fresh water, and it has flower food so that the flowers are able to be fed and they'll last longer. So what I'm doing is I'm just taping down my Oasis, making sure that it is going to stay together when we deliver this big arrangement. So I am going and I am double taping. I'm taping down each little piece of tape just to make sure it doesn't come loose. I just want to make sure it stays together for my customer, and especially when Jason goes to deliver, because it's a lot of flowers in one container. All right, so I got it taped down. And now I am ready to add my greenery. I'm going to start out with just a little bit of leather leaf. And I'm just going to go all the way around this container. So I am just adding this leather leaf just all the way around. It's going to be an all the way around arrangement. So it's not going to be like a traditional church arrangement. I'm going to arrange it just like it was arranged in a vase. Like a dozen of roses arranged in a vase. So that's why I'm just adding this leather leaf all the way around. And next what I'm going to do is come in with some pretty greens. I've got, that's a variegated pittosporum. Get it to come off my knife. Real Snapdragon. There we go. And then this is just the regular green pit. And it's just kind of mixed and matched in this arrangement. These are actually, this greenery came from out of a mixed bouquet of foliages. And so it kind of has a mixture of the green and the variegated. Now, pittosporum grows as shrubbery, and it is a wonderful shrub to have because it's great to cut from. This is called it is called spiral eucalyptus or baby blue euc. All right, so I am just adding this pretty, and that is not going to break. All right, the foliage isn't the prettiest, but it will be pretty once I get everything added in. All my roses, because the roses are really going to be the main thing, and then I'll come back and add some more foliage to the container. And I've got some really pretty filler flowers. Solidago. All right, trying to make a mess over here. Okay, so I have 48 stems of yellow roses already wired. So I like to start with the longest or the tallest flower first, and then I just like to kind of taper down with roses. So as I make this arrangement, I'm just going to twist it and go around and around and around and just fill it in.
Yeah, we have a lot of room in property.
This one's a little larger, it's a little more open, so I'm going to put it low in the arrangement. But you can kind of see how I just taper down. You'll see it kind of looks like a pyramid.
Any other ideas?
How about what about a wet towel basket?
What's it kind of like? Just a basket of something?
Because I saw, like, I don't even know what the price is.
So the way the fresh towel basket, I'm gonna pull up.
And really this filler flower just fills it right in and makes it, just makes it pretty.
Yeah, there was something, somebody sent even the banks apparel that wouldn't necessarily be appropriate. It was instrumented kind of like that, you know? Maybe a little bigger, I don't know. But I want to say maybe it was a plant with like some, I don't know.
It might have been a plant with some live flowers.
It may have been.
Which I want sure you can do.
Do people do wreaths?
Yeah, people do wreaths, but when they do the wreaths, they're on a standing tray, standing like that.
All right, so
Yeah.
there is
That's all right, I
our
trust y'all.
Well,
4 dozen roses for a birthday. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this gives you some ideas of how to put this together. If you like what you see, please subscribe and follow our videos. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.